Rios is coming up this weekend. This weekend is gonna be St. Patrick Day weekend on the 17th, which is Friday. The reason why I can celebrate it, I know for sure that there's a history with the Irish and Jamaican, and that's why a lot of Jamaicans celebrate St. Patrick Day, because there's a history. There's back in the days, you know what I mean, the Irish then fight in Jamaica. So there's a lot of stuff, there's a lot of history, a lot of stuff behind it. If you do the research on the internet, you can get a lot more information. But Chef Ricardo and the team just want to say happy St. Patrick Day when it comes this Friday, and it's gonna be amazing, and a lot of people gonna enjoy themselves. A lot of my friends who are St. Patrick, and a lot of them gonna just enjoy themselves, have a wonderful time, eat a lot of food. 500 likes, 500 comments on the video, and leave your comments below. And thank you so much. If you want to get more information about Jamaica and the Irish, you can do your research on the internet. So there's a big thing with both of them. All right guys, thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.